For this next problem, we're going to evaluate a 3 by 3 determinant. To evaluate this determinant, we need to choose a row to expand across. You can use any of the rows, but we're going to use the second row because it contains a 0. It'll make evaluating this a little easier. When we expand across the second row, we're going to get negative 1 to the 2 plus 1 power. Remember that the power on negative 1 is equal to the sum of the row and column entries. So we're in row 2, column 1 here, so we have 2 plus 1. And the entry is 1. Then we need our minor determinant. Since we are using row 2, column 1, our minor will be negative 4, 6, 2, negative 4. Use the remaining entries if we ignore row 2 and column 1. This will be plus negative 1 to the 2 plus 2 power times 4, working on the second entry, times the determinant of 2, 6, negative 1, negative 4. We're going to add negative 1 to the 2 plus 3 power times 0 times the determinant of 2, negative 4, negative 1, and 2. Negative 1 to the third power is negative. So we have a negative 1 times the determinant, negative 4, 6, 2, negative 4. We have negative 1 to the fourth power is positive, so we'll get a positive 4 times the determinant, 2, 6, negative 1, negative 4. Negative 1 to the fifth power is negative, so we'll have minus 0 times the determinant, 2, negative 4, negative 1, and 2. So here we'll have negative 1 times. Now when we do this determinant, negative 4 times negative 4 is 16. 2 times 6 is 12, so we'll have 16 minus 12. Plus 4 times, we'll get negative 8 minus negative 6. And since this is 0 times that determinant, we really don't need to evaluate that determinant because it's going to end up being 0 anyway. 16 minus 12 is 4, so we get negative 4 plus 4 times negative 8 minus negative 6. That's going to be negative 8 plus 6, so we'll get negative 2. And then we have 0. So we negative 4 plus negative 8, which is negative 12, and so our determinant is negative 12.